Full disclosure, this OBSBOT Tiny was sent to me for evaluation purposes. All opinions are my own. Woo! OBSBOT Tiny 4K, a small PTZ webcam. It pans, it tilts, it also has a digital zoom. It's very sharp. This thing, the OBSBOT Tiny, is revolutionary and it'll blow your mind. I've used the old one, the one that does have the 4K, and it's really good. This 4K even has better low light capability, 60 frames per second, dual omnidirectional microphone. This thing is loaded. Boom! The OBSBOT 4K. Boom! Video calls with freedom. OBSBOT. Look how cute this case is. Little pouch right here with the single zipper right here. Nice little pouch. Boom. That looks sick. This is a USB, and you also have this end right here. This one will give it some power. USB-C to USB-C cable. This one is your data cable. USB-C to USB-C. It's a USB-C to USB-A adapter. The OBSBOT Tiny 4K. This thing is a beast. You have this little mount right here. Allows you to attach it to your computer monitor or a laptop. Very easy. The OBSBOT Tiny 4K. Boom. If you don't want this thing to be watching, you can always point it down and it will stop. Back here, you have the input power cable, the USB cable. You have the quarter 20 thread as well, so you can screw this on a tripod if you want. This mount is for your laptop or any monitor. It's a very powerful magnetic mount. This thing will stick right on top, just like that. Boom. Magnetic mount. The mount just clips right onto your computer. Based on the angle you want, you just adjust the angle. Very easy. It just holds. This one has a little adhesive. Will help this base stick better to your computer. The adhesive. Boom. Stick this right onto the laptop. Now we have a secure stand. Boom. Webcam is back in place. You want to take it out? Boom. Very easy. Solid. The gesture control. The warranty card. Boom. The user manual. USB-C. Boom. Plugging in the OBSBOT Tiny. Powered on. Whoa. It moved. It moved. Oh, look at that. It's moving. Plug and play. It's installing the driver. Setting up a device. The OBSBOT Tiny 4K. It's working. I'm gonna turn this around to face me. It's tracking me right now. Boom. Boom. Low. Left. Right. This thing tracks me. How cool is this? A pan, tilt, zoom webcam. So I can do anything around the room. I can demonstrate something. I can like move around here. It'll track me. And it has a nice wide angle and it'll track me. Pretty crazy. Pretty simple. Pan, tilt, zoom. If I wanted to stop tracking me, I just raise my hand like that. And then I can move around. It won't track me. If I want it to track me again, I can raise my hand. It's tracking me again. This is a crazy 4K pan, tilt, zoom webcam that'll move around and track you wherever you go. OBSBOT Tiny. Oh yeah. Dude, this thing is crazy! Aha!